Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix KB2267602 update failure for Microsoft Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. So this error can be quite frustrating, but by following these simple steps you should be able to resolve it quickly. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, just simply press on your window key or the search key and type CMD in your search panel. Then open the command prompt using the Run as Administrative right over here. If you receive this option, click on Yes. Now after you'll open command prompt, you'll find a few commands in the description box below of the video. Over there, just simply open that and you should be able to see these commands. Now all you do is just simply paste all of them one by one in order. So copy the first command over here, then go back to your command prompt, then right click on that din, paste. Now wait for a few seconds, and after you get the successful message, go for the second command and follow the same process. Right click, then edit, then paste. Now this will be press Y on your keyboard and then hit enter. And once you get the successful message, as you can see, wait a few more seconds and it'll give you 3 successful messages. Once all 3 of them have been completed, go back. Copy the third command and same B to right click and then edit, then paste. Now after that, go for the fourth command right over here and paste that one as well. And hit enter. And for the last one, right click and then paste right over here. After that, hit enter, and once you've completed all of that, as you can see right over here, just type exit, then hit enter. Now you can just simply restart your computer, so go to your start menu, then restart your computer right over here. Now wait for the restarting to complete. After the restart, just simply open your computer. Now after the restart and running all the update commands that we just pasted, we now need to scan and repair system files. So what you have to do is simply open your command prompt by going your start menu, then click on it, and after that type CMD, open CMD as administrator. And if prompted, click on yes. Now right over here, just type SFC. Then space /, then scan now. As you can see, this is the command, and now just hit enter. The process will scan your system for corrupted or missing files and repair them. So please be patient. It might take a few minutes to complete the entire process, as you can see right over here. Now after the SFC scan is complete, just simply close the command prompt by typing exit. Now after that, restart your computer once again, and after doing the restart, this will allow changes to take effect, and hopefully you will resolve the update failure error. So that's it. By following these simple steps, you should resolve the Microsoft Defender update failure error on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.